Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of the Grateful Gang, we would love to have you over here on our channel. We do budgeting as well as first-time homeownership things, as well as some vloggy vlogs. So if any of that interests you, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today, you all, we are back. We are back and ready to attack, as Gabby would say. The video is back with me in my little bubble. Y'all know I love this thing, and we're back to digital budgeting. So, I don't like this webcam. This is a brand new laptop, and it looks like it's only like a 720 pixel. We might have to add a webcam so that we can, look decent. But for now, this is really going to work. So let's get right into it. Today's video, we're going to be going over our November budget, closeout pretty much. Let me know how you guys are doing. Have you closed out your November budget? Have you started your December budget? As I'm speaking to you, it is November 28th. If you haven't done it, why not? Cause let's go. All right, so let's take it week by week. November 2022, I got paid twice. I had 1104 and 1118 are my pay dates. I get paid bi-weekly if you're new here. So my first check was 1367.57, and we're gonna go week by week. And I had a rollover amount of $996.13. That includes $30 from my Merry Christmas fund. To cover a 1K savings challenge, I needed 31.78 just as rollover. That was rollover from the previous week. We have 51.69 money for IKEA from my combined sinking funds. $10 to cover a buffer for gifts. 73.36 for our regular sinking funds to cover an Ulta credit card, which was skincare. $550.30 from our baby emergency cut to cover the Capital One. So you guys know I had a balance on my credit card, or if you don't know, now you know. I had a credit card balance and it was driving me insane. So what I ended up doing was just taking the baby emergency fund and paying it right off. However, now with Black Friday passing and buying all these major things like TVs and computers, I now have a balance again. However, I'm going to be transferring that balance or put a lot of the balance on the Discover card that I just applied for. And that way it's no interest for 18 months. So it gives me over a year to pay that balance down, which is going to be a big balance. But it does give me time to pay it down. And so I won't be as stressed. We're going to make a plan for that as well. And I will share that with you when I make a plan. All right. So then we have $99 to pay off the Visa. And then I had $50, which was a doctor's copay, which came from my sinking funds, combined sinking funds. And then $100 from the baby's emergency fund for GMA. So I gave my grandma $100 from the baby emergency fund for she's going to Jamaica, a trip just for like money, because that's my boo. And that's how we have all that money in that buffer. So $20 did go to giving. $569 was put away into your Holder House Horses account for mortgage. $20 were put for the HOA. There was nothing due for cell phone at that time. Like I said, $98.62 to pay off the Visa. So there's nothing on that. And it's actually now a MasterCard because they switched logos on me. So $54.68 on our electric bill, which is amazing. If I can keep it under 70, I will be excited. I've never had to use the heat in this house, so we'll see how that goes. Car insurance, it's $87.94. Oh, and you guys, I also picked up Black Friday some thermostats for a really, really good price. I actually have Georgia Power, and they had the Google Nest thermostats for $44 and some change. So I picked up two because I have two different thermostats, which will be switching out soon. Hopefully they work though, because I was unable to find the model number on my compressor outside to let me know if it was going to work on my system. So hopefully it does. If not, I'm hoping they have a return policy for them. Okay, back to the video. Okay. And so now nothing for trash and sewer. And I'm not putting anything for trash and sewer currently. I used to put $8 or $23, but I have an excess in that account right now. So I'm just going to leave that alone for now. KinderMaster, nothing yet. Home Depot credit card is paid off. Student loan, we're not doing anything until January 2023. And then Capital One credit card, we paid that fully off. Like I said, took that money from the baby emergency fund. Anything that you see in green, I track these outside of you guys because I didn't have my little bubble. And so now we'll be tracking them together. But I make them green when I know they've cleared my account. So $39.12 was the water bill, which I feel like they put me on some reoccurring plan because it's always that amount. Um, Due on the 30th of every month, this first form, but I had canceled it for 3 months and I might just cancel it forever because I don't really use it. It was like a weight loss program and it's just not working for me. Then we paid the Ulta credit card bill all the way off, confirmation number. $50 went to the house emergency fund, $220 went for cash envelopes, $10 went to our zero out challenge, $100 went to our sinking funds, $20 goes to Christmas, and $80 goes to our general combined sinking funds, and $50 went to Black Friday, and $50 went to our baby emergency fund. And then these are just random expenses. I spent Trader Joe's $49, $3.25 at the Dollar Tree, $51 buying those IKEA blinds. That was the IKEA purchase. $29.75 to a savings challenge. $9.26 to Dollar General, $11.86 to JJ Fish, Lazy Dinner Day, $32.09 Popeyes dinner, and oh, it actually I ended up with 2 dinners and 2 lunches with that because I bought a big family meal, McDonald's breakfast, grandma's trip, and then a copay to doctor's visit. That's left us with 2231 as a rollover amount. So moving into next and final paycheck of November, we got 1367.58. If you guys hear me say we, it's just me, and I just call it we because we're in this together. Okay, $50. I won giveaway. I was so excited. Woo! I have $50 of giveaway money, which I actually need to go to the CVS and go take the money out because that's my $50. Which I think I went at Candace's channel, Bearing It All with Candace. She'll be linked in the description bar if you want to check her out. One of the realest G's I know, OGG Grateful Game members I know. So she's 50. I won $50 for just being awesome, I guess, and watching her channel and answering her giveaways, which she does a lot like mine, where she doesn't just let everybody know they're giving away. We want it to go to people who we know are actually watching our channel. So that was amazing. I'm super happy. Thank you again. So instead of me paying bills with her or something like that, I'm probably going to take that $50 out and put it in my 1K savings challenge. All right. So then the rest of the money is $736 in rollover. So there's a rollover amount. And then I transferred the mortgage transfer from that $569. And then I transferred money over for an oil change and a filter flush, which I think was like you'll see on the bottom. And then sinking funds money for a pest control service that I had. So normally, as we did giving for 20. We had 1088.54 on the mortgage. That was a total mortgage payment. For December's mortgage that we paid probably on the 18th because we like to pay it the same day we got paid. We ain't about that holding up the money life, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know what I'm saying? And then $20 went to the HOA envelope, and Visa got paid off, 106.65, my now MasterCard Visa. No, what's that? Sorry, lies. 101.65 is my cell phone bill. Slow down, Tara. And 65.12 is my internet bill. It usually comes out on the 3rd, so it might not even hit in this paycheck because this paycheck is over on the 1st, so this might actually be moved to next week. We have our security service, which I'm pretty sure already came out, so it's signed me out. So let me sign myself back in, you guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, so we are back and we are now in our Capital One. We're in our Capital One account, and as you can see, yes, $26.47 was paid to my credit card. So we can go ahead and make that green. I forgot to mention anything, if you're new here, anything in green means that it's cleared the account and we're good to go. So like, for instance, everything here on the top, well, this all cleared my account, so they don't get green. But anything at the top that we're waiting for, everything there cleared. And so we were waiting for that to clear. This actually did clear. Like I said, I think this will not clear because it's probably going to be for next month. And then we had 1278, which is for KineMaster, which is my editing software that I use from my phone when I record from my phone. And then 4320. I saw this charge come through yesterday. and it's not going to clear my account yet, so I'm going to put it in orange, but I will show you that I went to make a payment right there of 43.20. It is scheduled, so I'm going to make it orange. Anything that I make orange means that it is currently in process and will clear. $190 was for cash envelopes this week because I had ended up using my card already to put the additional of the 220 out of it. And so we only took the amount that we needed, the difference of the 220, I should say. And then $10 went to Zero Out Challenge. Excuse me, Mommy Trader, if you're watching this video, I'm gonna need you to come on a video with me. I finally have my Zero Out Challenge over $100, and I want to talk to you about possibly coming on the channel, maybe doing like a virtual video and showing us how to best use this $100 when we are using it. I'm sure you're coming out with a class or something, but I think this might be a fun idea. Okay, just a thought out there, putting it out there in the universe. Thank you, ma'am. All right. And so we have $150 that went to Black Friday. Yes, everything went to Black Friday. So normally we put $50 in the baby emergency fund. I didn't do that. I usually put $50 in the what is this? This $50 is for me from my Candace when I won. So I put that in there so I would remember to take it out. But basically, I didn't put anything in my baby emergency fund. I didn't put anything in my house emergency fund. I put everything in the Black Friday because I knew I was going to spend a lot of money. So I transferred that money over. Then we had $11.33 for Zaxby's, Sam's Club gas $30, oil change flush was $94.79, pet control of $45, pest control and food depot for more Thanksgiving stuff was $38.49, leaving us supposedly with a buffer of $56.64. Let's see if we can see what's good. Well, that says I have more money than that, but so I used $2.12. Boo Terra, $16.59. Do I have that on there? So let's see what I don't have added. $16.59. What did I go to Aldi for? I don't think I have $16.59 here, and I think it was to buy more cheeses and things. And so I'm gonna insert a note, and that's Aldi. Thanksgiving. Man, I need a holiday fund because this right here, and then it was $2.12, and y'all, I did it. I spent money on that stupid Candy Crush. I haven't played it since because I got so mad at myself for doing that. Candy Crush, $2.12. You're annoying. Okay, and it says I have 37.40.93 left. So let me go ahead and add up together what's still in a blue, green, whatever those are. I don't know where the calculator is yet on this machine. Okay, Houston. Can I search? I found it. Okay, so we have in blue, we have 65.12 plus 43.20 plus anything that's not in bright green is what I'm adding, plus 50. It says 158.32. Oh, plus the buffer of 37.93. 196.25. So this says we have 196.25. Woo! It makes me so happy. It makes me so happy when my money is right. Okay, so 196.25 is absolutely correct. So technically, we're just waiting for me to get my $50 out of the bank, this to clear because I've already made the payment, this to clear, and this may not even clear at all. So we might have a bigger buffer left than I think at the end of this all. It might be a buffer of 65.12 plus 37.93 if I spend nothing on my debit card until then. Until we get our next check, and my next check is not scheduled until where is the what? Where's the real calendar? Ooh, y'all, I'm not used to this yet. Oh, here it is. Yet. So we're getting paid on the 2nd, really the 1st for me for December. So yeah. I'm gonna have got 1, 2. I'm home all day here. So 1, 2, just gotta make it 3 days and then we can have some money saved. which honestly, guys, is probably going to go to the credit card because I really am focused on paying it down because it will stress me out. Even though I don't have any interest on it, I want to pay it down. And it's going to be over $2,000, I think, to be honest. But anyway, we will revisit that when we're there. But that's it, you guys. That's all I have. That is our finishing out of November. We did amazing. We did well. Everything was pretty much on track. Glad we should have a buffer left over. And yeah, and I will see you guys again when we go into our December. Dang, it's the last month of the year already. Going to our but big things, new things for next year. We're back into our digital budgeting. So if anybody who loves my digital budgeting, I'm coming back and ready to attack, as Gabby would say, and get ready for my success when I hit all my transfers. Oh, because I be hitting them with the whoa, the whoa. Yes. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, all things are always working for those who believe. Amen. Bye.